This, these, and that, those. As simple as tricky. But they are the most commonly used words in our daily life. That's why today in RG Learning Fun, we are going to understand the application of this, these, and that, those in a very fun way rhyme method. We use the word this to show that one thing is near to us, means it is over here. And we use that to tell that the thing is far from us or it is over there. This is near me, that is very far. This is near me, that is very far. This, that, clap, clap, clap. What is this? What is that? This is a cat, that is a rat. The cat is going to catch that rat. What is this? What is that? This is a dog, that is a log. The dog is going to sit on that log. Rhyme of that. T-H-A-T, T-H-A-T, that. The girl is petting cat, the cat is very fat. We are learning that, this, that. Now the rhyme of this. T-H-I-S, T-H-I-S, this. You are dear miss, your teaching is a bliss. We are learning this, that, this. What are these? What are those? These are flowers, those are stars. These flowers are near me, but stars are very far. Near me are this and these, far from me that and those. Near me are this and these, far from me that and those. We are learning this, that, these, those. So students, it's very easy to learn this, that, these, those just by understanding two simple concepts of singular and plural and near and far. So one thing that is near to you is this. Many things near to you, these, plural. One thing far from you, that. Many things far from you, those. Now look here at this boy. This is one mango, near and singular. This is one mango. These are three mangoes, near but many. That is a tree, far and one, singular. Those are many trees, far but plural. Let's do a simple exercise of this, that, these, those. So first of all, car, near, one, so this. Then bike, singular but far, so it is that bike. Then pencils, near, many, so these pencils. Then books, near or far, far, one or many, many, so it is those books. Then ball, singular, one but far, so that ball. Then shoes, these shoes, because they are near and they are many. This, that, these, those are known as demonstratives in English grammar. They can be used both as a demonstrative pronoun or as a demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the specific object or objects which it refers to. It is usually placed before verb and gives the answer of what or who. For example, these are flowers here. What are these? These are flowers. Give it the answer of what. And coming before, placed before the verb are. This is cat. What is this? This is cat. Giving the answer of what. Placed before verb is. A demonstrative adjective qualifies a noun or a noun phrase by pointing at it, it is usually comes before that noun that it qualifies and gives the answer of which one. For example, those stars are shining. Which stars? Those stars, giving the answer of which. And coming before the noun stars. That rat is running. Which rat? That rat. Again, giving the answer of which and coming before the noun rat. So the main difference between a pronoun and adjective is in demonstrative pronoun this, that, these, those, they come standalone, no noun following them, but in adjective they are placed before a noun. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If not, then do it now to get the notification of my latest videos. Till then, bye. Thank you.